Class 2, take out your math books and open page number 105. And let's start exercise on your own. Question number 1. Circle the correct colored fraction. Look at the first figure and tell me what is the correct fraction. 1/4, 2/4 or 3/4? Yes, it's 2/4 because 2 parts out of 4 parts are colored. The next one is 4/7. It means 4 parts out of 7 parts are colored. What is the next correct fraction? Yes, it's 4/5. It means 4 parts are colored out of 5 parts. And the last one is 6/12. It means 6 out of 12 parts are colored. Okay, on the same page, see question number 2, match the following fractions. Take ruler in your hand and match it with the help of ruler. You can use different colors to match them. The first one is 7/8. Can you see where is 7/8? Yes, the last one. The next one is 9/11. Can you see where is written 9/11? Yes, the first one in the second row. Match it. The third is 5/10. Can you see where is 5/10 written? Yes, it's second last. Okay, number D, 1/4. Where is 1/4? Yes, the second one. And the last one is 2/3. Have you all done? Very good. Now see question number 3. Draw and color the given fractions. Look at the fraction. It's 2/3. It means you have to draw 2 lines to make 3 equal parts. Then you have to color the 2 parts. Like this. Now it's your homework is to do the remaining parts B, C, D on page 105 in your book. Now let's start question number 4, fill in the blanks. 2/7 means dash parts out of dash parts. 2/7 means how many parts? It means 2 parts out of 7 parts. The next one is in the fraction 6/11, the total number of parts are 11th, which is written as denominator. The next one is in the fraction 1/13, dash part is colored. Can you tell me how many part is colored from the fraction 1/13? Yes, very good. It's 1. In the fraction 11/18, dash is the numerator and dash is the denominator. Can you tell me from 11 and 18 which number is numerator and which number is denominator? Yes, 11th, the number which is written above the line is the numerator and the number 18 which is written below the line is the denominator. Okay, 1/4 is a dash fraction. Do you remember we studied that one part of the shape is called a unit fraction. So it means 1/4 is a unit fraction. Okay, question number 5. Color the picture as directed. Look at the boxes. There are some colors mentioned. You have to color as directed. 6th out of 16th, you have to color blue. 7 parts out of 16th, you have to color orange. And the remaining 3 parts, you have to color the green. Like this. Okay, now note down the homework. Do question number 3 and question number 5, page 105 in book. Your work should be neat and proper.